to make this short video just to show anyone who happens to have this old Lithonia Maxstar system what to do if their control panels stop working, because the information is pretty much non-existent online, and finding any parts for these online is impossible from what I've seen. So basically the first thing you want to do is pop open your main dimmer cabinet here, and then you're going to want to turn off your 20 amp breaker for your control board. Ours is right here. On the paper it said it was number 16, but it's number 1 on our machine, our cabinet. From there you're going to want to pull out the Maxpac, which is this, and in the instructions that I found, that it says it should be right here, but it's not. I had to pull this cover off, and it was laying down right back there. And so just pull it out like a Nintendo cartridge, and then you're going to want to turn your control board back on for 10 seconds. Then you're going to want to turn it off, and then you're going to want to turn off all of your main breakers. So these are, in the instructions it said 50 amp, but these are all 70, so they're the far right on all of these. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 there, and then we also had 3 more over here. So turn those all off, turn them all back on, and all of your lights should come on to full intensity. So even if your control panels don't work, which is what the problem you had, you'll still be able to have lights. So this is apparently the cartridge that controls the digital aspect of the dimming and all that. Now the only problem is to turn the lights off, you're going to have to turn them off here, and you're not going to have any dimming control. But hopefully somebody found this helpful. I sure wish I had found this a long time ago. Alright, bye.